So this is video 3 for week 12, and I'm going to start with interview questions. I want you to pause this video and read the information on the screen. And when you're finished, start the video again and we'll move to the next slide. Okay, so those questions that they're going to be asking are usually, you can figure out what they're going to ask you if it's you at the job interview, or if you're on the hiring committee and you're trying to decide what questions to ask. You just have to look at the job posting and you look under the qualifications or competencies, and that's where you'll find the job interview questions hidden. So in this example from Susie, the LIT, the sample cover letter and resume job posting that I shared with you for your last assignment, you can see Susie's going to be asked about her customer service and about her teamwork skills and some other things. So she should be preparing answers for questions on those topics. The kinds of interview questions she's going to have to answer are going to be factual. And we talked about that they'd be designed to test her knowledge. So they might actually have her do something like, if she said she could deliver a program, a STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math program for children, they might ask her to deliver a program, take 10 minutes and deliver it. In your case, they might ask you to solve some kind of a systems issue or demonstrate your programming by looking at a problem and fixing it. They'll tell you ahead of time if they're going to do that, most likely. The other kinds of questions are, and factual questions could also be things that are, tell us about your experience with C#. And they might just verbally get you to tell about it. But pretty much that's going to be evident that you have that skill if you have the academic credential. Okay, the other types of questions are going to be situational and behavioral. And this is where they're trying to assess how you're going to fit with the other members of the team, or to see if you have the soft skills, so the things like teamwork, flexibility, customer service, to reflect their values and their corporate beliefs. So you get to shine by telling them a story about you. So you're marketing yourself. So we're going to stop here. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to answer those kinds of questions.